Tips and tricks to make writing a self-assessment a piece of cake. Writing down what one has learned during a youth or volunteering project is an important process. But it's not a piece of cake. Even if participants acknowledge that they've learned a lot, it could be challenging for them to find the right words to describe their experiences. Also, they may feel overwhelmed or discouraged. You can make this task easier if you follow a few tips. Make sure the prep work is done. Self-assessment is so much easier if participants have reflected on their experience and are able to identify where they've improved. If they took notes along the way, that's great. They're halfway there. If they didn't, you can support them by, for instance, going through the tasks they completed during the project and discuss any competences they developed as a result. Know the audience. It's helpful to know how participants intend to use their certificate. Is it for self-development, for their own documentation, or do they want to apply for a job or a university place? Maybe something else entirely. Thinking about how they want to use their certificate and who will read it will help them to select the most relevant content and the most adequate style of writing. Start simple. It is very common not to have all the words ready when one starts writing. A blank page can be really scary. Believe me, I had to write this script. Writing is a process. Invite participants to start by brainstorming general ideas, noting down a list of keywords, drafting an outline, or drawing a mind map before going to write the actual text. Tell both sides of the story. It is tempting to only include one's accomplishments and the positive sides of the learning journey. Help participants to recognize and note down any challenges or struggles too, while still using positive language that reflects their willingness to grow and improve. Make it fun. Assessments may be scary for some participants. A self-assessment can be even more intimidating, as it may be an entirely unfamiliar concept. You can change that by including fun elements in the writing process. Get some tea and cookies ready and put on some nice music. Celebrate every writing milestone with fun rewards, and once the final text is done, get ready to party. And now I've finished voice recording this video, that's exactly what I intend to do.